In this video, I'm going to show you the structure I use on my thumbnails that gets up to 18% click-through rate. Hi there, David Walsh here once again from davidwalshonline.com. If this is your first time here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell to be notified every time we upload videos every Tuesday. As we know, click-through rates are very important for YouTube. When they show your thumbnail on the app or on desktop, the amount of times that people click through on that is the click-through rate. So it's the amount of times that people click on it divided by the times that it is shown, or impressions. So having a high click-through rate on your thumbnails is very important for your success on YouTube. As you can see from my thumbnails, I have a specific layout on them, which is getting me anywhere from 9.5 up to 18% click-through rate. And when we work with our clients, we will also get a high 6, 7, 8, or even 10 or 12% click-through rate as well. So here I'm going to break down a thumbnail to show how you can get up to 18% click-through rate. Here I am on my YouTube channel, and you can see here the videos on the left and my click-through rate from impressions. As you can see here, we've got one at 16.7, 13.7, 12.2, 11.7, 11s, 10s, and they're pretty much all the way like that. High 9s, 10s, 11s, 12s, a 13 and a 16. So let's have a look at these. So we'll see here that how to add a featured channel. We can see on the top here that this one, again, the structure is pretty much the same. We've got 4 lines of text, and that's what I recommend. Minimal amount of words, 3 or 4 lines of text, and then a picture of whoever is in the video. So in this case, it's me, obviously. This one here, the same. We've got 4 lines of text. We've got 3 lines of text and 1 logo, but it's 4 lines, 4 words, change YouTube channel name, and a picture of me as well with a little expression. This one has an additional line in it. It's got 5 lines instead of 4. It's rare that we will go past 4 lines, but because monetization and available are very long words, that moved it over to 5 lines instead of 4. And here's another one, how to schedule video uploads with 11.7% click-through rate. And again, same style template, text on the left and myself on the right. And the reason we have myself on the right is that you'll see here is that the length of the video goes on the bottom right of your thumbnail. So if I had text here that needed to be read, then this little time element would cover that over. So when we're working with clients, we will have the person on the right and the text on the left. And again, what we recommend you do is have 3 to 4 lines of text, minimal amount of words, because the more words you have, the more words you're trying to squeeze on the page and the smaller they're going to get. And we've rolled this template out to our clients, and we're getting 9, 10, 11, 14% click-through rates for our clients. So this style of thumbnail really works. So go ahead, steal this from us, apply it to your videos, especially on the how-to space, and you'll see your click-through rates increase. There you go, that's the structure I use to get a 10, 12, 14% click-through rate on my thumbnails. And as I said before, we also use this format to get a high 10 or even up to 12% click-through rate for clients as well. How are you going to implement this on your thumbnails? Let me know in the comments area below. And if you're getting a high percentage click-through rate on your thumbnails, how are you doing it? Is your structure different from this? What are you doing? Again, let me know in the old comments area below. And as always, if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button somewhere here and also the notification bell to be notified every time we upload videos every Tuesday. And also as well, make sure to click on one of these fine specimens of videos to help you grow your YouTube channel, especially for business.